Video you will see how to insert image in LibreOffice Impress. It's very easy. Under your menu bar, you need to look for this icon. This is a insert image icon. You just need to click on this icon and then select the picture or image and then click on open to insert it into the LibreOffice Impress. Later you can resize the image according to your use. You can also go to the insert tab and you will see the option of image. You can make the use of this image option as well to insert the picture into your LibreOffice Impress presentation. There is one interesting method as well. You can simply open the picture on your computer and you can just hold the picture using your mouse click and drag it into the LibreOffice Impress and then resize the picture. In this way you can insert image in LibreOffice Impress easily using the three methods. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to LibreOffice Impress. Subscribe and press the bell notification icon as well.